Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Gemini AI in Google Workspace to boost your productivity. Let's get started. Number 1. First open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Number 2. Once you're logged in, click the gear icon labelled Settings and Help in the bottom left corner. Number 3. From the menu, select Settings and Help, then click on Apps. Number 4. At the top, under Productivity, you'll see Google Workspace. This allows Gemini to summarize, find and answer questions based on your Gmail calendar, Drive and more. Number 5. Click Turn On or Connect to Google Workspace. Number 6. Choose the Gmail account you want to connect and confirm by clicking Connect. That's it. You've now connected Gemini AI to your Google Workspace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.